Hi guys, welcome back to Beautyfriend. Oh, I just ran downstairs to get this package. This is by ColourPop, and all that there is my pleasure palette, and also all the Belle, you know, from the Disney collection, the Belle Disney collection, you know what I mean. So, oh, I'm so excited. Let's open now. Your dreams came true. Yes, I'm so excited for the palette. Like, it's been a while since I was excited for a ColourPop release. Oh my god, a bunch of bubble wrap. Oh, here it is. So cool. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. Oh my god, I'm in love. Look how beautiful this is. I love it. New year, new ColourPop. Okay, I think I want to start with this because this is what I'm very excited about. This is my pleasure palette, as you can see. And oh no, it does. Purple is one of my favorite colors. Oh my god. That's nice and sturdy. Oh my god. You ready? You ready? Oh my god. Oh my god, that mirror bends all the way. I love it. Look at this. Let me zoom in. Oh my god. Oh, fuck me sideways. I mean, don't. But yes. Can you see? Like, this looks grey-ish in the camera, but it's actually a pink. I want to swatch this. And now it looks pink. Oh my god. Oh, do you see how it's going from like a orangey pink to icy purple? Oh my god, I'm in love. This is beautiful too. Oh my god. I sound like Janice from France. It's beautiful. I'm in love. I'm really in love. I'm actually like I'm totally blown. Oh, I want to swatch this one. The purple. Holy macaroni. It's very purry though. That's nice. Oh, I love it. I'm feeling this. I can't get it off. Honestly, can't get it off. Oh my god. Okay. And now the Belle designer collection. She's my favorite Disney princess. It's my favorite Disney movie too, so. Wait. You can open up like this. Oh! So we have the, okay, everything fell out. The ultra glossy lip in Last Petal. We have the Be Our Guest Super Shock Shadow Satin. Oh god, that's beautiful too. I'm going for a pink theme here, I can tell. And then last but not least, we have the lipstick, which is a normal lipstick. With her signature on and with Jasmine on and Snow White and all the princesses. So, in fact, I have a mirror. I will swatch the lipstick. Beautiful. Okay. I'm here for it. I'm totally here for it. Okay, let me get the Super Shock Shadow. I never had one of these before, so I want to see what... Oh my god, they feel nice. That feels really nice. Hello, pigmentation. Okay, and then I just put the glossy lip on top, because why not? Let's just see. There's not much coming out on the Dove applicator. I'm going to swatch it like this, just so you can see. Okay, it is actually beautiful. I'm really feeling this. So far, I like all of it. I have to play with it a bit more, but oh my goodness. Excited. So that was it. That was all I got. It's not a lot, but I'm so happy. I'm so happy about this. Oh my god. I can't wait to play with this a bit more. So let me know if you want to see a palette bingo with that palette, because I really want to do that. I will do it. Okay, let me just know if you're excited for it, because I am. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel already, and I'll see you next video.